We all live here together on this place, a tiny blue planet spinning in space. We all breathe the same air, life on earth with every creature we share. Everything is linked in some way, from the tallest trees in the forest to the fish in the bay. We gotta think carefully about everything we do, 'cause the future life on this planet's up to me and you. So don't beat around the bush, you see, when it comes to things environmentally. Everything in balance in its place. Don't beat around the bush, you see, you gotta think sustainability. Use it all up today and it's gone for good. Now you might be thinking, what difference could I make? I'm like just one tiny drop in a great big lake. But that one drop once fell as rain. It joined millions and millions of others and look what it became. So if it started raining all over this earth, billions of voices like rain falling, coming together like rivers forming, answering nature's gentle calling, changing our planet for a new world dawning. So don't beat around the bush, you see, when it comes to things environmentally. Everything in balance in its place. Don't beat around the bush, you see, you gotta think sustainability. Use it all up today and it's gone.